If your income stops the moment you stop showing up, then this is for you. Because real freedom, it doesn't come from a job. It comes from a deeper shift in your mind. I know that life. I've lived that life. That exhaustion that hits on Monday morning where you're already counting down to Friday. That fear that if you take a day off, the money stops. And when the money stops, so do the dreams. That feeling that you're living inside your paycheck, chained to your schedule, waiting for vacation days, watching the hours of your life drain away. And all the while, the bills are still stacking. And those dreams, they're just sitting there waiting. And you keep feeling that pull, right? That pull, that tug inside your chest saying, I want time freedom. I want money freedom. But every time you try to take a step, your mindset hits pause. Look around. Inflation's up. Prices are up. Job security, that's shaky right now. The check-to-check life isn't just stressful. It's survival mode. And in times like this, time freedom isn't a luxury. It's a lifeline. Now, I want you to picture this for a second. Waking up without rushing, spending mornings with your kids, your spouse, your loved ones, and whoever makes you feel alive instead of rushing to beat traffic. Saying yes to your plans, not someone else's demands. Making choices from abundance, not from fear. That's not some fancy Instagram life. That's possible. But before you can have it, your mind has to shift. The old mindset says, if I work a certain amount of hours, I'll get paid X amount of dollars. The new mindset says, I create value that pays me over and over. So let's break this down. First, you have to stop believing your worth is tied to your hustle. You're worthy because you exist, period. If your business can't pay you tomorrow, that doesn't make you less valuable. It just means you haven't built the leverage yet. Second, you have to start treating time as your most valuable asset. And that means boundaries aren't laziness, there's space for creation. Third, take ownership of your path. You're no longer waiting for someone to promote you, approve you, or tell you you're ready. You declare this. You declare, this is my life. I want it different. I'm going to build it different. And emotionally, here's what happens. You stop feeling guilty for wanting more than just a paycheck. You start honoring your brain, your vision, not just your workload. You start moving with a calm confidence because you're no longer dancing to someone else's rhythm. So let's get practical because this isn't just theory. If you want change, here's where you start. Step 1, name your freedom. What do you want? Mornings off? The ability to travel? You want your time back? Write it down. Speak it out loud. If it's not defined, it's not real. Step 2, ask yourself this every single day. If I want to wake up free, what would have to be true about today? Then take one step toward making that true. Step 3, build value. Not give away more time. Don't just work more hours. Create something. A post, a guide, a resource, something that keeps working for you when you're not. Step 4, surround yourself with freedom thinkers. The people you follow matter. Your social media should remind you daily of what's possible. Now, I'm not going to lie. This shift is uncomfortable. Your mindset is going to fight you. It's going to tell you this is risky. This is unrealistic. This is for the other people. But discomfort often means growth. I've been there, going over and above at my job, doing everything I was told to do, but never feeling free. And one day, I asked myself a different question. What do I need to do to get my time back, to feel free? Because this illusion of freedom, it wasn't working for me. That's when things changed. I joined like-minded communities. In those communities, they discussed the importance of mindset, freedom, and business ideas that work in the real world. So I started creating templates, guides. I offered them online, and those things worked for me even when I was asleep. And that's when I realized freedom isn't about how much you can grind in a day. It's about what you can create that keeps serving you. And once you taste that kind of freedom, living on your own terms, spending your hours how you choose, you don't ever want to go back. And for me, it isn't about being a millionaire. It was about buying back my time. It was about being able to breathe, about having the space to think, to dream, to do the work that actually mattered to me. So if you're tired of that hamster wheel, hear me when I say you do not need permission to step off of it. You already have the tools. All you need is the shift. So just know you're not behind. You're not late. You're just one decision away from a different life. Thanks so much for vibing with me, y'all. I'll catch you next time.